Okay, we're doing great here. Okay, so we just did an example where we drew graphs from equations. Now we're going to write equations when we've been given the graph. Okay, again, if we know all the same information, it's no big deal. We can still do it pretty easily. Got to remind you, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope, our rate of change, our rise over our run. Okay, b is going to be our y-intercept, our starting point. Okay, so if we look at these examples here, we're going to plug in our starting point here and our slope or rate of change right here. Okay, starting point, rise over run. Starting point, rise over run. If this is a positive, it's going to say plus. If it's a negative, it's going to have a minus, right? So our starting point from our origin is up 1. So that's plus 1. From each, find 2 points where we crisscross perfectly at those intersections, okay? We want to look right, we want to go up our elevator 1 to the right 3. So, sorry, 2, up 2 over 3 from one point to the next. If I picked up 2 over 3, it would work here too. What if I picked this point and this point? I'd go up 4 over 6, and that would also simplify to be 2/3, okay? So it works either way. On this one, our starting point on our y-axis is positive 2, so plus 2. We're going to go down the elevator 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, always moving from the left to the right. Down 1 over 2. On this one here, our starting point is 0, right? We don't have anything fancy happening here, so just 0. And we go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So down 1 over 1. This is just the number -1, okay? So if you want to really be fancy, you could just write this equation as y equals -x. And you don't even have to put plus 0. So it's -x, okay, or -1x plus 0. Whenever you have no constant right there, you know that you're going to crisscross at your origin. All right, and then the last one for this problem, or for this example, is we're going to go down 2. So our starting point is down 2. Again, not this spot, right here, hidden at the back. And then if we want to find another point to compare to, find your crisscross intersections. Here's another point. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went up 5 over 4, and there's no way to simplify that fraction, okay? You want to tend to keep it in improper fraction form instead of putting 1 and 1/4. You will just keep it as 5/4. And that's how we write equations. Write equations from the graphs.